Hello and welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video I'm going to show a method to make these easy oven roasted carrots. First off, get a large baking sheet and line it with aluminum foil. Then you're going to take 2 pounds of washed and drained baby carrots and place those onto your tray. Pat the carrots down with a paper towel to remove any extra moisture. Now spread them into a single layer and drizzle them with 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to season these with salt and pepper. Here I have this pink Himalayan salt. If you don't have that, you can use just regular salt. I'm going to generously season them with the salt and then lightly sprinkle them with some pepper. Just do this to taste. If you like more pepper on yours, feel free to add more. Use your spatula to stir up the carrots, making sure that everything gets coated with the olive oil. Then spread them out into a single layer before you stick them in the oven. These are going into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and 20 to an hour and 30 minutes total. What you'll do is put these in, and then every 20 minutes you're going to open up the oven and give them a good stir. Then pat them back down into a single layer and continue cooking them. Stir them every 20 minutes so that they'll cook evenly. Here's how they look at the 1 hour mark. They're actually tender at this point. You could eat them now. But what I like to do is actually continue cooking them for another 20 to 30 minutes so that they get this nice caramelization on them and they get a little bit crispy. After the 1 hour mark, check them and stir them every 7 to 10 minutes or so until they get to the color that you want. These are a great easy side dish. We actually use them for a snack for our kids. Our kids prefer to eat cooked carrots over raw carrots. You can see here our daughter is really enjoying them. If you're interested, you can find all the details in the description box. Thank you for watching.